Chef Ted Reeder here with my friend Kevin. People have been asking me about how do you cook a steak caveman style. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a caveman steak. We've done a number of different things and we've been burning this wood fire. Got a lot of ash buildup. And ash is dirty. That's not good for when you're gonna cook a caveman steak.
Yeah.
So I've taken some charcoal and I've put it down and we've made a bed, and you wanna have a nice even bed. You gotta have white hot coals. We're doing one really big steak.
Yep.
Hopefully I get some. You'll get a little bit of steak there, Fred. This is a beautiful porterhouse steak.
Yeah.
About 36 ounces. This is well marbled.
Yeah.
And then it's been dry aged.
It looks
and
like
it has about 49 days, I think, on it. And I've had it sitting in the fridge like on a rack like this, not wrapped, just drying out. You don't really need to do a lot to it. You want to appreciate the meat for the flavor that it's developed over the time that it's taken. It's a respect to the process. We're just gonna go salt and pepper.
But when you got
But when you're spending somewhere in the range of probably $40 to $50 to $60 for a steak like this, you want to appreciate that piece of meat for what it is.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take a little bit of oil.
That's just your
little olive oil.
Yeah.
I bring it up, I don't bring it up to full room temperature. I want a buffer zone when I'm cooking it, caveman style. And so I want the meat to be a little bit cooler because it's going to continue to heat and warm. It gives you that little wiggle room so that you don't overcook your steak.
That's a lot of salt. Generous chef's pinch, right?
Generous chef's pinch. If you don't want to use salt, don't use salt. You don't want to use pepper, don't use pepper. It's your damn steak.
Yeah.
Have it the way you want it.
Exactly.
All right?
Can I get my corner just a little less?
You're not getting any steak. You're like on the edge now of losing steak privilege.
Easy, Fred.
I wonder, Fred.
Fred, can you get us, what's Fred supposed to bring us?
Oh, well, to go with this little bit of a steak, this is called Hill's Suicide Black Absinthe. And according to this bottle, it is 70% alcohol. This is pretty heavy. I love the tradition, but I love the absinthe more. Suicide Black, baby.
Ooh.
It'd be tasty. Seasoned, fire's ready. Let's go. See that nice flat layer over there?
I see it. What do you think, what temperature do you think that's at right now?
Fucking hot.
Like fucking hot being like 500?
No, like fucking
500?
hot. No, it's just fucking hot. You can't do anything else. That's the temperature. It's the fucking hot level.
Okay,
all right?
Okay, I gotcha.
Then
She hot.
she's hot. Make a little ring around it so that the sides start to cook a little bit. You can't rush good food.
Yeah.
Okay? You know, by the end of the day, he's probably going to get fired. You know that. It's fine. Let's go make relish.
We don't have to worry about that steak.
It's got to cook.
Okay.
You can have it now or you can have it when it's fucking ready. An English relish called a gentleman's relish. It looks like brown poo. A little bit of shallot. This is a white anchovy. Don't mush it up. I like to get the full pieces of it.
Yeah.
So then you take some gherkins, flatten the gherkin, the side of your knife.
What is a gherkin?
It's like a baby, tiny, little, winny, little, tiny piece of cucumber.
Okay. By the way, Dad, I made cucumbers this year.
Oh,
I'm
fantastic.
bringing you a jar because they're the best in the planet.
Right on. We have some capers and just coarsely chop those. These are caper berry, like the biggest brother of all the tiny little capers. I want some chili. We're gonna take a little bit of fresh rosemary. And we're gonna take some parsley, a little bit of olive oil into that. And that's it. That's the whole relish. Try that.
Thank you, sir. It doesn't need anything, but...
Don't put your spoon in there twice. Jesus.
Oh, I didn't do that.
You can never double dip, man. Oh, contamination. Jesus. No double dipping. Got it?
I guess I double dipped, didn't I?
Yeah, you fucking double dipped.
Baby, that looks good.
Just charred on the outside.
Yeah.
Right? You don't want to go flip it over and put it back here because these coals aren't hot.
Right.
They've cooled down. So you want to make another little area. And then we're going to get some fresh rosemary.
Yeah, you have fresh rosemary. Why wouldn't you do this?
That's it. You know, to go to a medium rare at this, you're probably looking at a 15, 16-minute cook.
I like my medium rare.
Yeah, you'll get it as we give it to you. So
10 to 1%.
what you want to do, you see that?
Yeah.
But if you eat that, it's going to fucking hurt. Now, 90% of the salt that we put all on that is all bounced off through the cooking and everything else, right? My wife would say, put that back on.
Oh, no, that's good.
Right? A little bit of this. Serve it up to your buddy.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
And other than all the salt that's in that, the relish and everything, well, that's completely healthy. Right? It's steak and garnish.
That's some good shit there, Ted.
It's not shit, man. It's a fucking steak.
It's true.
What?
Fred needs a slice.
That's how you do a steak, caveman style. You don't want to go through all that trouble. Just fire up your grill, cook the steak, enjoy the steak, have fun with the steak. That's all that matters, as long as you're cooking steak. And you can have a steak any way you like it. You want it well done, knock yourself out. I'm going to stick with my rare. Have a great time. Tune in next week. I'm Ted Reader. This is my buddy Kevin. Hope you're having fun learning how to barbecue the Ted Reader way. Cheers. Baby, tiny, little, mini, winny, little, tiny piece of cucumber.
Okay, okay.